Histogram versus bar graph. Whether you need good help, a genius writer, a brainy tutor, or a data wizard, Intudo4U has them all. It's like having a research dream team on demand. Have you ever seen two similar looking graphs and thought, is that histogram or a bar graph? Grinning face with sweat, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to explain the real difference between a histogram and a bar graph with a simple Excel example, and we'll plot both in Origin software. And yes, I'll also share how you can learn many more research tricks on enthusiast.com rocket. Okay, listen carefully. A histogram is like when you group students by marks ranges. For example, how many scored between 40 to 50? How many between 50 to 60? And so on. Here, the data is continuous, so the bars touch each other. A bar graph, on the other hand, is when you group students by categories like passed and failed, or maybe by departments, CS, maths, physics. Here, the bars stand apart because categories don't touch each other. Easy, right? Let's open Excel. I've got marks of 30 students. Show dataset. We'll take these marks and first make a histogram in Origin. You'll see bins like 40 to 50, 50 to 60, etc. Bars will be together. Then we'll turn these same marks into categories, for example, Grade A, 85 to 100. Grade B, 70 to 84. Grade C, 50 to 69. Grade D, below 50. Now if I plot this, Origin shows a bar graph, and notice, bars are separate. That's the exact visual difference. So remember this trick. Backhand index pointing right if bars are touching each other equals histogram, continuous data. Backhand index pointing right if bars are separated equals bar graph, categorical data. Easy formula, touching equals histogram, separate equals bar graph. If you found this helpful, just imagine how much more you can learn. That's why I've created enthusiast.com, a hub of tutorials, research tools, and AI tricks for students and researchers. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out enthusiast.com for your next academic breakthrough. See you in the next video. Movie camera sparkles. Thanks for watching.